Now, seventh group element already discussed. In the previous class, we already discussed electronic configuration, oxidation state, interhalogen compound. These three topics already discussed. In the seventh group element, the first one electronic configuration, second one oxidation state, and third one interhalogen compound. These three topics are already discussed. Seventh group element electronic configuration is NH2NP5. That means outermost 2 plus 5 equal to 7. This seventh group element is also called halogen family. Its electronic configuration is NH2NP5. Outermost 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. The next topic is oxidation state. Seventh group element oxidation states are -1, +1, +3, +5, +7. These -1 are called common oxidation state. The common oxidation states are depends upon zero group element electronic configuration. Other oxidation states are +1, +3, +5, +7. These depend upon excitation state. Then next topic is interhalogen compound. These interhalogen compounds are 4 types: AX, AX3, AX5, AX7. What is the definition of interhalogen compound? When two halogen atoms they react with each other, are called interhalogen compound. These interhalogen compounds are 4 types, that is AX, AX3, AX5, AX7. AX means 1 unpaired electrons, that is sp3 hybridization. AX3 means 3 unpaired electrons, that is sp3d hybridization. AX5 means 5 unpaired electron, it undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. AX7 means sp3d3 hybridization, it means 7 unpaired electrons. Here all interhalogen compounds, fluorine cannot form central metal atom due to its a small size, high electronegativity. So this topic already discussed in the previous class. After the topic oxyacids of fluorine. These oxyacids of fluorines are 4 types. Oxyacids of fluorines are 4 types, that is hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. Hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. Now what is the formula of hypochlorous? Its formula is HOCl. Its name is hypochlorous. Next one, hypochlorous, chlorous. Its formula is HClO2. It is chlorous. Third one is HClO3. Its name is chloric. Then fourth one is HClO4. Its name is perchloric. Hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. These are called oxyacids of fluorine. So oxyacids of fluorine, how prepare that oxyacids of fluorine, which can be prepared from? Then first one, mercuric oxide react to chlorine, is undergoes hydrolysis to get hypochlorous acid. The next one, KClO2 that react to hydrochloric acid to get HClO2. Then BaClO3 taken twice is undergoes sulfuric acid to get HClO3. Then NaClO4 is undergoes sulfuric acid to get perchloric acid. So among these oxyacids of fluorine, here fluorine oxyacids of fluorine can form only one form, that is hypofluorous. Due to fluorine is a small size and high electronegativity atom. That's why fluorine is formed only one time. Simply, this is a charge. Here fluorine, here chlorine, here bromine, here iodine. So oxides of fluorine is formed HOF only one time. Oxides of fluorines are four types. That is one HOCl, then HClO2, HClO2, next one HClO3, next one HClO4. Oxides of bromine also form HOBr. It cannot form. Here also HBrO2, here HBrO3, here HBrO4. This also form HOCl, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. This is oxy acids of compound. These oxy acids of compound, fluorine is formed only one type, that is one hypofluorous. Due to fluorine is a small size and high electronegativity atom, chlorine is formed four types, that is hypochlorous, chlorous, chloride, perchlorate. Now we discuss one by one. Now let us first one hypochlorous acid. Its formula is HOCl. Its formula is HOCl. First we find oxidation state. Now in this one, hydrogen oxidation state is 1, oxygen oxidation state is -2, chlorine oxidation state is X. Simply 1 minus 2 plus X equal to 0, X equal to 1, which means one unpaired electron will be takes place. One unpaired electron will be takes place means in the ground state. Here its electronic configuration is NH2NP5. This is an ground state. In ground state, S contains 1 orbital 2 electron and P contains 3 orbitals and 5 electrons. 3 orbitals and 5 electrons. Now here in this HOCl only one chlorine is there. That's why it undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now here chlorine is the central metal. Here how many OH here? It is one OH. Simply this is one OH. Here how many paired electrons? 1, 2, 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So its shape of the molecule is linear. That means how represent that linear? Here chlorine is the center. This is linear. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. Its shape of the molecule is linear. In this one, one OH. Here one OH means one basicity. Simply basicity or depend upon OH groups. Now let us second one HClO2 and second one is HClO2. Its name is hypochlorous chlorus. Chlorous acid. This one is hypochlorous. Its name is chlorus. Now first we find oxidation state. 1 plus X plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 4 equal to 0. Then X equal to 3. Here X equal to 3 means 3 unpaired electron will be takes place. Now 3 unpaired electrons are first excitation state. Now it is NH2 in the first excitation state. This lone pair of electron enters in that side. That's why S how much it contains 1 orbital 2 electron and P contains 3 orbitals and 4 electrons and then D contain 5 orbitals, 1 electrons. D contain 5 orbital, 1 electron. So in the previous topic what happened? Already AX, AX3, AX5, AX7 already discussed. But here 3 unpaired electron is there. It is not sp3d hybridization. It is not sp3d hybridization. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. All oxy acids of chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization. Simply here chlorine is the central metal. Here how many OH? One OH. That's why 1 OH. The remaining how many O? Remaining 1 O. That 1 O nothing but double bond O. Then 1 O nothing but what happened? Double bond O. How many lone pair of electrons? 2. That is one above the plane. Another one is below the plane. Its shape of the molecule is V shape or bent shape. V shape or bent shape or angular. V shape or bent shape or angular. So its bond angle is 111 degree. Its bond angle is 111 degree. Now in this one, it undergoes in the HClO2. Its hybridization is sp3. Its shape of the molecule. Its shape of the molecule is angular. Its shape of the molecule is angular. Its bond angle is 111 degree. Bond angle is 111 degree. Its basicity is 1. Basicity is depend upon OH group. Basicity are depend upon OH group. If one OH group is there, that's a 1 basicity. In case 2 OH, 2 basicity. 3 OH, 3 basicity. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. Basicity are depend upon OH group. Now here double bond O is there. The double bond O means this is sigma, this is pi. How many sigma, how many pi? This also sigma. 1, 2. 2 sigma, 1 pi. So here this means 1 sigma, 1 pi. So in the oxygen it contains one double bond O means 1 sigma, 1 pi. This also sigma. That's how many sigma? 2 sigma, 1 pi. 2 sigma, 1 pi. This is hypochlorous, chlorous. Next one. Perchloric acid. Its formula is HClO3. Its formula is HClO3. Now HClO3 means this is hypochlorous, this is chlorous, this is chloric. This is chloric. Its name is chloric acid. Now first we find oxidation state. How find that oxidation state? Here 1 plus X plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. Then 1 plus X minus 6 equal to 0. Simply X equal to 5. X equal to 5. That 5 unpaired electrons are which excitation state? Simply second excitation state. Now here second excitation state. In the second excitation state, this lone pair of electron enters in that side. S how much? It contains 1 orbital, 2 electron, and P contain 3 orbitals and 3 electrons, and D contain 5 orbitals, 2 electrons. But it is not sp3d2 hybridization. It is also sp3 hybridization. Due to how many chlorine is there? 1 chlorine. 1 chlorine means reject. 1 chlorine means 1 unpaired electron. 1 unpaired electrons are which excitation state? Ground state. That's why only for sp3 hybridization. Now what is here? Chlorine is the central metal. How many OH? 1 OH. This is 1 OH. Remaining how many oxygen is there? 2. That is double bond O, double bond O. How many lone pair of electron? 1. So this is 1 lone pair of electron. Its shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Its shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Its shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Its pyramidal means in this one, this is sigma, this is pi. This is sigma, this is pi. It only sigma. How many sigma? 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma, 2 pi. 3 sigma, 2 pi. So what is the hybridization here? It undergoes sp3 hybridization. Its shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Its bond angle is 107 degrees. Bond angle equal to 107 degrees. and basicity also 1. Basicity is also 1. Simply all oxy acids of chlorine undergoes 1 basicity. Now this is oxide of chlorine, third type. What is the first type? Hypochlorous, chlorus, chlorine. Hypochlorous, its oxidation states are +1. So +1 means ground state, only 1 unpaired electron. That's why chlorine is a central metal. It contains one OH. Its electron molecule is linear. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. The next one, chlorus. It undergoes what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Hydrogen equal to 1, chlorine equal to X, oxygen equal to 2 into -2, simply 0, X equal to 3. Now in the 3 means 3 unpaired electrons. Now third unpaired electrons are which excitation state? First excitation state. Now its shape of the molecule is V shape, a bend shape or angular. Its bond angle is 111 degrees. Now its hybridations are sp3. Its shape of the molecule angular. Its bond angle is 111 degrees and its basicity is 1. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. The next one, chloric acid. Its oxidation state is 1 plus X plus 3 into -2 equal to 0. Simply X equal to 5. Now 5 unpaired electrons are which excitation state? Second excitation state. In the second excitation state, its shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Now it undergoes sp3 hybridization. Its shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Its bond angle is 107 degree and basicity also 1. This is oxy acids of chlorine, third type. The next one, fourth type. What is the fourth type? Perchloric acid. Next one, perchloric acid. Here it's a perchloric acid. Its formula is HClO4. Perchloric acid. Its formula is HClO4. Simply fourth one, HClO4. Now first we find oxidation state. Now here 1 plus X plus 4 into -2 equal to 0. 1 plus X plus 4 into -2 equal to 0. Simply 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. Then X equal to 7. Now 7 unpaired electrons are which excitation state? 7 unpaired electrons are in the third excitation state. There are 7 unpaired electrons. Now here in this one only ground state. This is first, this is second. Now here third excitation state. In the third excitation state, the S lone pair of electron enters in that side. Simply S it contain 1 orbital 1 electron. Then P contain 3 orbitals and 3 electrons, and D contain 5 orbitals and 2 electrons. 5 orbitals and 3 electrons. So it is not sp3d3 hybridization. It one also sp3 hybridization. Due to sigma electrons, pi electron is there. Sigma electrons are participating in hybridization. Pi electrons are they do not participating in hybridization. That's why HClO4 also sp3 hybridization. So its shape of the molecule is chlorine is the central metal. Here how many OH? 1 OH. Simply this is OH. Remaining how many O? 3 O's. That is double bond O, then double bond O. Its shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. Its shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. How many is its shape of the molecule tetrahedral means? Its bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Its bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Now in this one how many sigma, how many pi? Sigma, 1 sigma, 1 pi. Sigma, pi. Sigma, pi. Sigma. That's why 4 sigma, 3 pi. 4 sigma, 3 pi. So this is pi. In out of 7 unpaired electron, the first 4 unpaired electrons are sigma electrons. Other 3 unpaired electrons are pi electrons. Sigma electrons are participating in hybridization. Pi electrons are they do not participating in hybridization. That's why it undergoes sp3 hybridization. Its basicity is 1. This is oxy acids of chlorine. Basically oxy acids of chlorine. That means oxy acids of chlorines are 4 types. That is 1 hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. Hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. In the hypochlorous, its oxidation state is 1. In the chlorous, its oxidation state is 3. Chloric, its oxidation states are 5. Perchloric, its oxidation states are 7. Simply, it is ground state, first excitation state, second excitation state, third excitation state. All oxy acids of chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization. All oxy acids of chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization. All oxy acids of chlorine undergoes 1 basicity. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. Now this is oxy acids of chlorine, but oxy acids of fluorine is from only one type, that is one hypofluorous. But oxy acids of chlorines are from 4 types. Oxy acids of bromines are from 3 types, and similarly iodine also 3 types. This is oxy acids of chlorine. So this is oxy acids of chlorine. Now in these some group elements we covered 4 topics. So first one electronic configuration, second oxidation states, third interhalogen compound. These interhalogen compounds are 4 types: AX, AX3, AX5, AX7. We already discussed these 3 topics. Then today we discuss what we oxy acids of chlorine. These oxy acids of chlorine are 4 types. The hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. Hypochlorous, it is sp3, or simply all oxides of chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization. All oxides of chlorine undergoes 1 basicity. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. In the first one linear, second one V shape or bend shape or angular, third one pyramidal, fourth one tetrahedral. So this is oxy acid of chlorine. The remaining topic we discuss on next class.